Well, if you're like us during the summer, you're grilling out. Some nice big old thick half-pound burgers here. It's got the Flavor Seed hamburger. These are all it's 85-15 organic ground beef. All right, so the rule of thumb is if it's an inch thick or more, you cook it with the cover shut. If it's an inch or less, you cook it open. So I usually give it a minute with the grill shut, and then I'll get some of that smoke, and then I'll cook it open and let these juices bubble to the top here. Get some flame broil action. Now I got just as much seasoning on the other side, so you just dust it on both sides there. These are nice thick burgers. Alright, this is the tricky part, guys. I only like to flip it once, and it's kind of tough sometimes to tell exactly when that right time is. I like my burgers like medium in the middle. I'm going to give it, it's on high heat here. These are looking great.